Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first of all we have to turn on the developer options. So scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Then let's scroll down, enter software information and localize build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and enter system management. Now let's tap on developer options. And here scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course if the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.